Hey, I've been excited to make a review for these ever since I saw them come out last year. I just have not been able to get them. Never thought I'd be wearing and making a review over some dumplings. These is dumplings. These are straight dumplings. Let's check these out together, y'all, for real. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy. It is your kid, Nefred. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I really do hope you're having a very, very blessed day. Now in today's video, as you can see from the intro, as you can tell from the thumbnail, and as you can tell from the title, and the reason you clicked on this video is because I am bringing you guys another sneaker review. And the sneaker that we are going to be taking a look at today is a Yeezy. And man, these I've been interested in actually obtaining a pair for myself. I had friends that have a pair, and I've seen them in hand. I just haven't actually went through and actually got them, just because usually they kind of do sell out certain colorways. But Yeezy brand, they've been, like I told you before, I've made tons of reviews over on Yeezys before, and for this silhouette, which is basically the newest silhouette to the Yeezy lineup, this silhouette right here is just, it's just interesting. It is just interesting. It actually came out last year, 2021. They've made so many colorways in this so far. I think this is the 5th release now, 5th or 6th colorway they've actually come out with. And the sneaker that we're going to be taking a look at today is the Yeezy 450 in the Sulfur colorway. Now, release date was May 7th for a retail price of $200. They did drop over on the Adidas confirmed app, as well as Yeezy Supply and other retailers as well, Undefeated and Kith. And the community is honestly trashing these. I'm gonna be real. The community is trashing them. I just don't think maybe this was the best colorway, but for your boy here, I actually am interested in them, honestly. So without further ado, I'm not gonna ramble too much because we're gonna dive into these Sulfur 450s right now. Let's go. First, before we even dive into today's video though, I gotta let you guys know before we even begin, I really do appreciate you guys' love and support so much. I think the last video that we did, you guys showed me a lot of like comments and love on that, and I'm just very thankful for that. Seriously, your guys' support is just like top tier, just top tier. We're about to hit 2K subscribers, and I'm just blessed for that. Seriously, I'm very thankful. Like, you guys have no idea how much y'all really encourage me to want to keep going. There's times that, like, you know, this stuff gets tiring sometimes too, because it's just like, you know, there's a bunch of editing that goes involved with it, but you guys' like love really keeps me going. So I just want to let you know, hey, I appreciate you so much. If this is your first time tapping into any one of my videos, definitely go ahead and hit that bell notification, subscribe, comment, because all that good stuff here is extremely needed in order for us to keep growing together. So definitely go ahead and do all of that, and thank you so much. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and actually dive into these Yeezy 450s. Before I do, I always like to be color coordinated with the product that I am reviewing. Usually I like to match it with matching headbands or just whatever I have to kind of go corresponding with the actual product. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually get my hat on, and then we can go dive into these 450s. Let's go. Alrighty, we straight now. Got the Adidas visor on. Gonna go ahead and get my knife right here and cut into this box so we can see these 450s. So, like I said, the community, like you guys, it gets a lot of love, the silhouette does, but it also gets a lot of hate. I had friends who have also had them before, and I am a fan of them, to be honest. I am a fan of them. They've made a lot of colorways. We had, starting with the cloud white, starting with the dark slate, and then also following after that, we did get the resin. The last release we did go ahead and get was the cinder, and now we do have the sulfur. So, okay, here we go right here. This is the box, and as you can see, it says 450 on the front right there, and it's actually way smaller than all the other boxes for their silhouettes that they have come out with. For example, I have, just to kind of show you more, we got the 350 Yeezy right there, and look at the box comparison with that. Like, it's very small, you know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and put that back. And I'm excited though. I'm excited for these too, to be honest, because this is my first time actually owning these, to be honest. So let me go ahead and read you guys the size description. Size description does read Yeezy 450. It is 11.5. I did go ahead and get 11.5. It is sulfur. Dang, how many times are we gonna say sulfur? The SKU code, for those that is wondering, it is HP5426. Then you do got Yeezy 450 made by Adidas. Let me go ahead and turn this around for you right there so you guys can go ahead and see that. As far as sizing goes with these, go a half size up. I would say the sizing fits similar to 350s, 500. Usually go that half size up and you will be fine. If you have any more questions as to, you know, the sizing, comment down below, let me know. Reach over to me over on my Instagram. I will be attentive to you as best I possibly can. So let's get it though. Let's get it. So here we go here. We got the Yeezy 450. This is the box right there. Nothing crazy besides just the box kind of being like cut in half. Let's go ahead and actually pull. I'm gonna try to do this the best I can. I'm gonna take all this out. So we'll go ahead and put that on the side right there. And then we do got our tissue. What's that on the box? So we do got like a tan tissue paper. It does say made in Germany. Okay. Let's go ahead and pull these back right here. And oh, these are really in there. And oh my God. Here we go right here. Let's take them out. These take them, well, here we go. This is the left. Dude, these look like the resins low key. No, they actually are a little bit more yellow for sure. Let's go ahead and put those right there. And let's put the right pair right here. Yo, I kind of like these, y'all. I kind of like them, to be honest. I do. Okay, starting with the left right here, and here we go with the, the left, and then this is the right, excuse me about that. Dude, these are like dumplings, dude. These are like dumplings. Hello, can y'all hear me? Just kidding. These are literally like dumplings. But like, here we go. Start with the outsole of it. So you do kind of get a all yellow, kind of like a track pad right there. And then right at the top of kind of like where the toe is. I don't know if you can see that, but it does say Adidas right there. Then as you go up to the whole midsole, which is basically the whole entirety of the shoe too, it's almost like a cage unit midsole on there. Kind of like taking it back, looking at it right there as well. I do like the material on this though. The material is nice. And then looking at the front right there, you do have your laces. They're kind of done in, I guess you could say, kind of like a bungee cord type of lace. That's my best way, that's my best interpretation for it, honestly. And then let's go ahead and look inside right there. These are interesting, dude. Like Yeezy, I swear Yeezy brand comes out with some crazy silhouettes. It does have Yeezy in there, and then it does go ahead and hit you with your size description. I hope you guys can see that. I did go ahead and get 11.5, like I said. And honestly, not too much with these sneakers, to be real with you. I mean, it's almost like these are socks, dude. These are like really socks. I do like them personally. I don't know if this is probably a colorway that I know, like I said, a lot of people in the community, they kind of are passing on just because they're probably like, you know what, this is just not for me, which I totally understand, because you know, this, you know, not everyone's able to wear stuff like this, you know what I'm saying? Me personally, I do like it on more of the colors that have come out for the past this year. I do like more of the cloud white. I also like the dark slate as well. I know from what I've been hearing, we are going to be getting the utility blacks coming out for these as well, so these will be an interesting one. But yeah, here we go here. These are 450s. These are, I'm gonna start calling these the 450s, aka the dumplings. Honestly, comment down below, guys, and let me know what you think about the Yeezy 450 in the Sulfur colorway. Like I said, not too much for me to kind of go into detail, other than just, like I said, all of the main parts of the shoe. You got the outsole, you do got the cage, which goes all the way around the shoe as well. You got your bungee cord laces, but man, I can't wait to get these on my feet though. I know, I've actually had a friend of mine who went ahead and he let me borrow his resin pair, and they are comfy, but I'm gonna get these on feet for you guys. So comment down below and let me know what you think about the Yeezy 450 in the Sulfur colorway. So guys, I'm actually gonna go ahead and break away to an on-feet review over the Yeezy 450 Sulfurs. But before I do though, I do wanna give you guys a closer perspective, just so you can kind of see it at different angles too. So check it out right now. I really think that as far as the Yeezy brand goes, man, like they're just known for creativity. Honestly, they really are. They make the most craziest wild shoes, and like you would think that they wouldn't sell, but they actually sell. And these are actually interesting because these are my first time actually owning a pair of 450s before. So I do like them. Some colorways are better than others. For example, like the cloud white, the dark slates, more of those neutral colors. I feel like a lot of the people within the community and consumers would go towards that more. However though, I feel like these are nice as well. I also would say if you do have the Yeezy 450, the resin, the recently just dropped as well, then you don't really need the Sulfur personally. They're past, because I would say the color tone looks very similar like that. So honestly, I can see why people would pass on these if they already have the resin. But comment down below though and let me know your thoughts and opinions over these Yeezy 450 Sulfur. So ladies and gentlemen, this is going to conclude today's review over the Yeezy 450 in the Sulfur colorway. Yo, I like these little dumplings, for real though. Dumplings, no, for real though, I do like them, I really do. Maybe the colorway is, and not the best, but the actual silhouette itself is really cool. I hope to see, and I can't wait to see, Yeezy brand start to go ahead and bring more colorways for us. I'm actually very, very excited for these, especially having them for my first time. Like I said, go ahead and comment down below. Let me know your thoughts and opinions. It really does mean a lot to me. Really appreciate you guys for tapping into the video. Thank you for watching. It really does mean a lot to me, seriously. We're on the goal we're getting ready to hit 2K subscribers, and like, we've just come a long way, honestly, and I just really appreciate you guys so much. If you are interested in these Sulfur 450s, I will go ahead and leave a link down below where you can go ahead and check them out. And if you're interested in them yet, go ahead and pick them up. Like I said, this has been your boy, this has been your kid. Thank you guys so much. Remember, there's only ever going to be one you, so be the best you. And until next time, this is your boy, this is your kid, and I'll catch y'all later. Peace.